I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. We're going to do some quesadillas, and we're going to actually
Cheesy beef quesadillas.
There you go. And actually, if you haven't subscribed, do so that you can be informed when we post a new video by hitting the notification bell.
And give us a thumbs up so that if you like our
videos.
We're going to get started with the meat. So we're just going to take some ground beef, and I'm going to scoop some of that into a bowl. I think we're just doing
We're doing a one serve, aren't we?
That's good.
Yeah, we'll do a one serve.
So the ground beef and then some of the onions.
I love the ground beef. That's all I buy now because it's super convenient and it's already been cooked up and it's freeze dried, so I keep it in our pantry, and then when we need it, it's right there. So it's a great product.
And I just added some taco seasoning and then a little hot water from the kettle.
Do you use the ground beef much? Sorry, I thought I'd ask.
I do for my family.
Oh, that smells really good already. Really
Yep,
nice.
we're gonna let this refresh when you get the taco ready.
All right, so I'm just gonna grab one shell and we're gonna actually fold this one in half so it's a one serve, okay? Now, the cheese here, as you can see, we've refreshed the cheddar cheese with Thrive, freeze-dried, and we just added some water, put it in the Ziploc bag, refreshed it, and it's actually ready to go. So when we put it on, it's going to melt like a normal cheese would. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of cheese.
Or a lot of cheese.
Is that a lot?
No, you just do what you like.
All right, and then we're just gonna fold it up, and then we're gonna be pan frying it. All right, so this is the finished product. This is our quesadilla. It looks delicious. It's all chewy and stringy and crispy, and it's great for kids, and it's great for us. I don't have some. Go ahead. All right. Oh, where did my knife go? I took it. I'm going to take a bit of it, and I'm just going to scoop it and scoop it. That's really good. And remember, you can do this too.